Hi, welcome back to the Energia channel. My name is Dasi and I am the host of this channel. I'm also the owner of Shop Aphrodite, where I mainly focus on products that are created by independent creators. I usually unbox decks that I sell at Shop Aphrodite, but today I am unboxing a deck that is part of my personal collection, a new edition. Actually, that's how all of the decks that I sell at Shop Aphrodite start off as. I always buy them for myself, and if I feel it's something that I would love to offer to my people, then I bring it into the shop. Hopefully, I'm not sure if these creators offer wholesale, but we'll see. So this right here is the Heartwood Tarot, and this is by Three Trees Tarot. They are the makers of Oak, Ash, and Thorn, which I also backed way back when they had that on Kickstarter, and as well as the Smoke, Ash, and Embers deck. So I just wanted to open this here with you guys because it's just fun to do that. So let's see. So they use a recyclable mailer. Oh my god, that sticker is so cute. I'm gonna have to figure out how I can remove that sticker and get it onto my journal. Oh my god, there's another one. Okay, hopefully there's more stickers inside. Okay, how do I open this box? Okay, it says open here. You may not know this, but I am a sticker collector, lover. I always have been, and they just bring me a lot of joy and happiness. Okay, let's go through these. What's this? I won't read all of it. I'll just read the first paragraph, but you can pause and read the whole thing if you'd like. So, dear friend, nestled within the cozy corners of this old cottage that we affectionately call Heartwood, mysteries are afoot. And just like the creatures hiding in the darkest shadows, these mysteries eagerly await your discovery. Oh my gosh. So I picked up this deck because I just love all their decks. Just first and foremost. But I was also on this cozy critter kick, and then this deck showed up and I was like, oh my god, I have to get it now. Okay, I will never do this, but this is so cute because, so it says, feeling stuck and uncertain about what's ahead, wondering which path to take, simply flip over and scratch the foil seal to reveal a simple yes or no answer. I can't mess this up. No way. So these look like little postcards. And it's centered around the Fool, the story. So, oh my god, so many little goodies. Oh my god. My heart. What is this? This is, I think this is just their, Oh my God, no. So there's another, I was gonna say this is this their, I thought this was their business card, but there's another deck coming soon, and this is the Fool. Oh my God, I am getting it. So this talks about their new deck that's in the works. It's called The Winding. Enclosed is a sneak peek of our next tarot deck, The Winding, where a spider will be our fool. Oh my God, that is the cutest thing ever. I understand that not everyone may be fond of spiders. Hello, they should be. But I hope you'll give this little one a chance. Oh my God, this is so cute. I can't wait for this one. Again, I'll leave this here, and if you want to read the whole note, you can. Oh my God, this is so freaking cute, and I love the size and everything. All right. Now, I don't know if the new deck will be this size, but if it is, it's cute. All right, so let me put away all my little cute things that they sent me. Thank you so much for sending me all these cute things. And now for the unboxing. So the other deck that I have is also in this type of beautiful papery tuck box. And the designs are, I guess, embossed. You know, you can feel it, they're raised. I did forget to mention that this company is based out of the United Kingdom. So, and they are very eco-friendly, which I love. I appreciate that they use this paper band instead of plastic, because I'm always so scared of opening those plastic wraps. Plus, it's, you know, like eco-friendly. Here is the deck. It's a thick one. Oh, interesting. Are there extra cards? Because, oh, okay. So that's right. I think they always include an extra card to pad for shipment. Super cute. There is no guidebook, but you have these little flashcards. Okay, so that's the deck. I'm gonna flip this over. Oh, okay, so there's another one here. Another little extra card, and then a thank you card. All right, so enjoy the flip. I might have to interject because this is so freaking cute. Like the little mouse in every card. Oh my God, my heart. Oh, look at that, ow. The hanged mouse. So cute. Oh, that's so cute. So this is an extra card. Oh, so these are the cards that think, that are included. Did we see these? Like this one? Discovery? Was that part of? Yeah. I'm just gonna pick up the cards so that I can control them better. This artwork takes me back to my childhood. Like a lot of the stories or storybooks were very cottagecore. Of course, back then it wasn't cottagecore, it was just the style. I love this one. It's a chess piece. Here's our little mouse again. That's cool. So this book is titled Oak, Ash, and Thorn, and this one is Smoke, Ash, and Embers, which are their other decks. Now, I didn't mention this when I first took it out of the box, but you guys can see it is not an edged deck or gilded. Yeah, it's not a gilded deck. It's just white, and I kind of like that sometimes. Yeah, but I don't know. I think it'll look cool if it was edged in like a coppery brown. So one day I may take that project on, but for now it'll stay this way. Anyways, I'm not that great of a riffle shuffler, and as you can tell, it's a big deck, so I don't... Oh, actually there's bend in it. Let me try. Also, I don't have large hands, so that's as good as it's gonna get. But if you are a riffle shuffler, I'm pretty sure that you can get it going. I'm more of a overhand shuffler, so this is my preference. Also, since these cards are papery, actually they're papery, but they also have like this smooth matte finish that feels very protective, so I think they'll hold up to shuffling. I was gonna say, like, sometimes when cards are very papery, you know, they'll like start to get all ugly, but I think these will hold up. Okay, that's my attempt at riffle shuffling. But anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing. And I hope to maybe one day carry this in my shop. Let's see what card I'm gonna pull. The Tower. Yay for me. That's okay. Actually, the Tower card is not something I fear anymore, so I'm okay with pulling the Tower. It just means something has to get rebuilt. Something is not on firm foundation, so we get to restart. Now what that is, that will be revealed. Anyways, my friends, thank you for watching, and see you on the next flip. Bye.